Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add legal pages on WordPress in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to add legal pages on, click on WP Admin. This way, you will be directly logged to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Pages and click on Add Page. Let's start with my privacy policy. So I will copy this, go to ChatGPT. Okay, I want you to write me a privacy policy page for my website. What info do you want from me? Okay. Okay, I will reply to this. What name, website name and URL for my website is Ben's blog, Ben, or this is my Ben's tutorial, or it's Ben's tutorial, Ben at dotcom.builders. Data you collect, do you collect names? Yes. Do you track user behavior? Yes. Do you process payment directly? Yes. How you use the data, for example, process order? Yes. To all of this, do you use Google Analytics? Yes. Legal compliance. Do you target only certain countries or worldwide? Worldwide. Do you want a cookie consent statement? Yes. Do you allow country creation? Do you allow account creation? Yes. Do you share or sell? No. Do you have an age restriction? No. Perfect. Thanks for the details. Based on what you shared, here is a professionally privacy policy page tailored to your website. And this is it. Let's copy. And of course, you need to read this page carefully before using it. Today's date is 23 September 2025. Welcome to Ben's tutorial. Your privacy is very important to us and we are committed to protecting the personal data and so on. This is the information we collect, how we use your information, third-party services, cookies and tracking technologies, data protection and security, user accounts, children's privacy, your rights, international data transfers, updates to this policy, and contact us. Now let's publish this page. And yes, let's view it. This is the page live. Now that we've created the privacy policy page, let's create the other terms of service page. Same thing for the privacy terms of service page. I think it will use the same data. Refund policy unless otherwise. All sales are final and non-refundable. So this is the terms of services page. update or insert the date, September 2025. Click on publish, publish again. Now that we have both legal pages, let's see how to add them at the bottom of my website. So I will go to the dashboard. I will open a new dashboard page, go to appearance, editor, go to patterns, then click on footer. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Go to patterns, then click on footer. This is the footer I am using. You can select another style, but I will click on the same one that I am using. This is it live. So let's add here. You can duplicate this block, and then let's delete this column, then add my just double click the block or the element inside the block, and you can edit the text here, privacy policy, then copy the page link. Where is my privacy policy page? This is the link, paste it here. Same thing for the terms of service. You can delete this from here. Same thing for this. Then click on save. Save again, and let's refresh my website. And just like that, I've added my 2 legal pages in WordPress on Hostinger. And this is how to add the legal pages on WordPress in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.